morning, friends, and welcome to my fall morning routine. I am a slow start to my morning. Off camera, I brushed my teeth and I washed my face with the CeraVe foaming cleanser. I'll pop that up here. And then I really keep my skincare simple in the mornings. I'm gonna start with some niacinamide. Let me actually clip my hair back, get it out of the way. So 8 a.m. is kind of, I don't know, I think it's an average morning time. I feel like a lot of people get up super early, but because I'm a performer and my nights are just really late, I won't get out of my show until like 10:30 sometimes, depending on like the length of the show. And I'm in tech week right now, so my nights are even later, so my mornings kind of need to be a little later just so I can get proper sleep. Otherwise, the day ain't gonna happen. Then I'm going in with some retinol cream. This is not the serum. I use the serum at night sometimes. This is the retinol complex cream by Natrium, and I use this on my eyes, smile lines, and then wherever my face seems to like crinkle when I smile, that's where I'll use it. The last thing we're going in with is just some daily sunscreen. This is an SPF 30. It's the CeraVe AM moisturizer. I'm actually really excited for breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I am a big breakfast for dinner kind of person, but today we're making some pumpkin spice pancakes. And then because I don't like just a sweet breakfast, I like to add in a savory, but we're also gonna do some egg tacos. Yeah, breakfast is kind of like, for us, we make it a big meal. I think it's just because like I said, I'm a performer, so you know, I'm gonna be moving and dancing a lot around at night, and I don't like to eat big meals at night. So to kind of replenish those, I will replenish my energy in the morning from my big shows at night. We gotta make sure it's all rubbed in, you know, sunscreen will leave that white cast a lot. Glasses on, hair down. Let's go into the kitchen.
Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over.
It is time to get going on breakfast. We're gonna make some pancakes. I'm using this brand. I do not know how to pronounce it. And I need 1 cup of mix, a half cup of milk, 1 egg, and a tablespoon of oil. So I'm just gonna use my half cup measuring cup for everything just to go ahead and save on dishes. I'm taking 2 scoops of the pancake mix, and then I had a little bit left in the bag. So later you'll see I just dump it all into the bowl anyways. Then I'm gonna go ahead and choose some oat milk. This is my preference of milk. I just love the taste of oat milk, and it's really good for the environment as well. And I'm going in with a half cup of that, and then an egg, just like the box said. And then I'm gonna mix it all together. And how I'm doing this to make it a little different is I'm gonna go in with some vanilla extract. You can use the real stuff and use the imitation. I don't think there's too big of a difference if you use the imitation instead of the real stuff, but to each their own. Then I'm going in with some pumpkin pie spice. This is the key ingredient. You can go in with real pumpkin puree if you'd like, but it's entirely up to you. And then we are just scooping these onto our griddle, and y'all, these made the most perfect, most beautiful golden pancakes I have ever seen.
We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it.
I'm not even joking when I say I have been making this bougie coffee for myself every single morning. Yep, every single morning. But it's worth it, okay? So let me show you how I make it.
Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over.
Here is our breakfast spread. We have some egg and cheese tacos, some southern potatoes, and then our pancakes on the side there. And we're just gonna go ahead and watch some Marvelous Mrs. Maisel and eat our breakfast, and we'll see you afterwards. And here I'm just picking up after breakfast. I went ahead and put our leftovers away, and now I'm just gonna wash everything. And I figured I'd include this clip in the morning routine just so I can still give you guys some cleaning motivation that I know you guys love. My last video was a post-hurricane clean with me, and you guys seem to really like it. My analytics on that video look amazing. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll go ahead and link that in the corner for you now.
You call me for one last dance, then you hypnotize me into a trance, thinking I really had a chance, but I woke up on my own. The world keeps on spinning round. I'm planting my feet flat on the ground. Living is all
Okay, so I went ahead and changed the shirt. I wasn't feeling it. It wasn't the fall vibe. So this off-shoulder shirt that, I forget what this is called, like the eyelet material with the little like holes in it. I don't know, there's a name for that material. Anyways, I switched into a normal v-neck and I'm gonna throw a flannel over it. And that's all I'm wearing, super basic. Just because I have to change into costume later because we have 2 dress rehearsals today. So I was like, what's the point in a full-on outfit? Something easy and comfortable. You know, fun fact about this flannel is it's not a normal flannel. This is a maternity flannel, but you know what? You would never know. Who's gonna know? No one. No one's gonna know. All right, so the next thing I need to do is pack my rehearsal bag, performance bag, whatever you wanna call it. Basically, I'm packing my bag, and it never really needs to do much packing because it never really gets unpacked. Every time I use something, it's just already in there. One thing I do need to do is I have like a lunch box of snacks because it's been tech. None of this needed to be refrigerated, so it's fine. Basically, I'm just gonna pack some extra things that I know I need for tech, like my character wears blue, so I'm gonna bring in some blue scrunchies, a hair clip to pull out of my face when I do makeup. I'll need to bring my makeup in today because I obviously didn't do it beforehand. Hair products to get little flyaways down, and that's it. My water, maybe some liquid IV. Let's get it packed.
I'm left here without a clue, but I'm looking up and forward. Nobody can take away what I've learned. How to be brave when there's no reason.
Now we're gonna go ahead and head out onto the patio and we're gonna spend some quality time out in the fresh air together before I have to leave for work. And you guys just caught a little glimpse of what's to come. That's me pre-working on a Christmas video for you guys. Some Christmas decor and lots of DIY ideas are coming your way really soon, so make sure you subscribe down below.
Oh yeah, oh everything changed so suddenly. How come everyone saw it but me?
Depending on the season I am in life, my morning routines will differ, but this day it was time for me to head on out and head to the theater and get to tech rehearsal. So thank you all so much for joining me on my fall morning routine. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next week with a brand new video.
The cat just whipped her tail into me.
I have it on show too.
Kiana, your bag's not big enough.